Hey guys, how you doing? 33 Electric here. Just wanted to show you something I've encountered on a job site here that I've never encountered before. Just got done opening up this wall, as you can see, and found the wire in the wall. And what happened here is the house got shot up. Yes, somebody shot this house up. That's one of the bullet holes. Multiple bullet holes through the house. But this one happened to hit the wiring right here, as you can see. Tore it up pretty good as well. 9mm bullet. We just found it actually. Just found the bullet in the wall before I cut it open. Feeding the circ switching here in the family room, and it also goes upstairs. But yeah, tripped the breakers. Hit that wall, so got it opened up. Gonna get that splice form repaired so they can get their lighting back on. But wow, just never encountered that before, so I thought that'd be kind of cool to show. Unfortunately, the story goes, they were actually here when it happened, when the shooting and all of that happened at the house, but everybody, is safe. Nobody got hurt, thankfully, thank the Lord. So anyways, kind of cool, thought I'd show that. And we're going to get that new wiring put down in there. We're going to get new splice wire back up here, get that repaired for the day. And yeah guys, more videos to come. Please subscribe. Let me know in the comments any questions, any kind of videos, anything like that you'd want me to make to help you out on anything electrical.